So, inner child is that part of us which is full of aliveness and playfulness. It is that godlike self which we were born with. Inner child healing therapy helps us to reclaim this godlike self by healing our childhood wounds. Inner child healing therapy is a journey of rebuilding the connection with your lost sacred self. It helps you to heal your childhood memories and the belief patterns that emerged out of it. It is going to help you to fall in love with your own self. And not only just this, it begins to open you up to accept others for their own uniqueness. By learning to accept your own inner child and reparenting it in new ways, it also helps you to become a better parent for your children. It is our inner child that knows the ultimate truth. And the truth is, we are loved, we are capable, and we are unique in our own ways. But as we begin to grow, our childhood experience of parental control, societal pressure, and many other traumatic memories like fighting parents, death of one or both the parents, financial issues at home, traumas related to school, traumas related to one's appearance, sexual trauma of any order. All these incidents leave a deep mark on our psyche. And the buck doesn't stop there. It is said that hurt people hurt people. So, if you haven't worked on your childhood memories, it is quite likely that you continue to live through those memories even when you have grown older. You not only continue to give yourself the pain, but you give it to the world and to your loved ones.